Word formatting messed up? Try this. Is Word behaving strangely or not formatting correctly? Resetting the normal template can fix it. Press Windows R. Type Send App Data % and press OK. In the Open folder, navigate to the Microsoft folder. Then open the Templates folder. Locate the file named normal.m. This is the default Word template. Delete the file to reset Word's default settings. Quick tip: if you have custom styles, make a copy of the file before deleting it. When you restart Word, it will create a fresh default template. Now your Word is back to default. Like and subscribe for more quick fixes.